Okay, so check and install Yoast for your website. So Yoast, what you can do is, so Yoast is basically a plugin which helps us to optimize the website faster and better. All right, so we just need to go to plugins here, click on add new plugins, then click on, type Yoast, press enter. The Yoast, this is the one. Click on install now. Click on activate. That's it. Yoast is activated. All right. So that's your job here. So remaining steps we're going to see on the upcoming series of videos. All right. So make sure this is activated. It's loading. Yep. So it's activated. So once you get activated, you can see in the list of activated plugins, you can see Yoast. Yep. So plugin activated. You can see over here. All right. So very simple. Okay, so check out the next videos for the step-by-step SEO optimization.